second place overall.
Yeah, you know, I'm very happy to finish second on Ypres. I hope if there is a check after the race this time, it will be okay with the car. Anyway, it was a fantastic weekend. The car was working well thanks to the team, thanks to Nara, because first time together it was not easy, especially on the Ypres. And thanks to our sponsor to give us the opportunity to be here. So being second behind Freddy, I think couldn't be better. So it's perfect, very nice.
That's it, and also we think Breen is in the ditch in there as well.
Yes, I don't know what happened. It's strange because it's after the corner, quite far after the corner. He's blocking in the ditch. So I think there are a lot of spectators. So he will be able to go out from the ditch, but for sure he will lost a lot of time. I'm sorry for him.
Very late. We slipped off the road, but the stage is cancelled. Pagin's car is on fire on the stage, so everybody drove in the wrong way.
Now win number 8, just incredible.
Yeah, it's fantastic. I had a fantastic feeling already on the shakedown Thursday. The speed was going. The speed was very good, and I kept that speed until the end. Of the second day, so it was fantastic.
What is so special about it? Why are you so good here?
I don't know. Of course, the Belgian rallies, they are quite similar. You know, we have a few rallies in this area, and that makes that it's still a little bit more easy for me, I think, to be quick on these roads than the other boys.
Is there a secret?
Yes, but I'm not gonna tell you.